Good morning, dear students. I hope you all are fine at home and are enjoying the holidays. Okay, and you are doing the studies also. Okay, so in previous week we have completed our chapter number first and chapter number second exercise. Okay, means we have done our first two chapters. Okay, so today we are going to start our new chapter, that is chapter number 3. Chapter number 3 is more on MS PowerPoint 2010. Okay, this chapter is basically related to the PowerPoint. We know PowerPoint. What is PowerPoint? PowerPoint is its full name. What is PowerPoint's full name? PowerPoint's full name is MS PowerPoint. MS means Microsoft. Okay, it is one of the part of MS Office. Okay, MS Office is having many components, means many softwares, and they are MS Word, MS PowerPoint, MS Excel, MS Outlook. Okay, so these all are the parts of it. In this chapter we will study about the MS PowerPoint. Okay, what is MS PowerPoint? It is a presentation software. Okay, it is a very useful software also, because it is used to create the presentations. What are presentations? You all prepares it when we have to prepare something, when we have to represent anything to our teachers. So we prepares. How we prepare? Suppose we have given you any task that you have to make a rangoli, or you can say you have to prepare a presentation on the 5 pages regarding any occasion. Suppose it is Independence Day. So how you will do it? You will prepare these all in a beautiful way. You will apply border, you will use colors for it. Okay, you will highlight the names that are most important. If you want to emphasis means focus. If you want to attract the focus of the teacher to that, so you will highlight it. Okay, so in this way we represents our presentation. Okay, we the cover of the presentation we highlights. Okay, we make it interesting, we makes it beautiful so that it looks attractive. Okay, in the same way we will create the presentation in the computer. How we will do this? With the help of a software that is known as MS PowerPoint. In MS PowerPoint we can add any photo, any video, any animation. What is animation? Animations are the animated characters. We see the cartoon movies. In cartoon movies what happens? The cartoons behaves like a human being. They speaks, they dance, they weeps, they cries, everything they do like us. So this is animation movie. In the same way we can add images, animation, video, graph, any kind of diagram, any kind of audio to our presentation to make it attractive. Okay, so that interesting also, because if we are making our presentation interesting, then everyone will focus on it. Okay, and it is easy to understand also, because we are highlighting the things, so they will easily see the topic and then they will read it. So in this way we can create the presentation. So how to open the MS PowerPoint? The first step is how to open the MS PowerPoint. So to open MS PowerPoint we follow few steps. What are the steps? You will click on the start button, then you will go to all programs, then you will click on MS Office, then you will click on MS PowerPoint. When you will click on this MS PowerPoint, easily the software window will open. So this was the step. Okay, if you want to open your PowerPoint with the help of the run command. Okay, so what is run command? After start box you will see a box that is known as search box. In search box you can write on a name, and with the help of that name only you are able to open the PowerPoint. What is that? In the search box, if you want to open it, then you will write here POWER What you will write there? Only power PNT. So the window will get open. Okay, so this is the procedure and this is the simple method. Okay, with the help of this shortcut command you are able to access the MS PowerPoint. Okay, in MS PowerPoint what happens? Actually MS PowerPoint is used to create presentation. What is presentation? Presentation is a collection of slides. Okay, simply like a book is a collection of pages, a notebook is a collection of pages, internet is a collection of web pages. Why web pages? Because we are seeing the things that are similar to our notebook, but we are finding it on web. Web means internet. So internet, World Wide Web, it is a collection of web pages. So in the same way, a presentation is a collection of slides. Here, what things we are going to describe for the topics, we write it, and where we write it? We write it in a slide. Okay, the single page in the presentation is known as slide. Okay, so at first I am going to write what is basically MS PowerPoint. Okay, so MS PowerPoint is a very useful presentation software. Okay, it is used to create presentations. Okay, in presentations, okay, presentations that include animation, images, audio, video, charts, graphs and diagrams to make it more interesting and easy to understand. Okay, this was about MS PowerPoint. Okay, it is a software program, and it is in this software program it is very easy to understand what's being explained in this presentation. Okay, when you will open the presentation, you will find slides. What are slides? So I am writing here slide. A slide is a single page of presentation. Okay, the single page of presentation is known as slide. And what is the collection of slide? Presentation is a collection of the slides. So in one way, if anyone asks you what is a presentation, so we will write here a presentation is a collection of slides. Okay, now what is slideshow? Slideshow means normally when we prepares any topic or when we prepares any project, we represents. Okay, but in this software we represents it with the help of the slideshow. What is slideshow? We all see the movie show. Okay, any still show in our school. We held many competitions of the still show, so it is also a kind of show. But in this show, what happens? In this show, we see many slides there. Okay, slides. Suppose I have prepared 10 slides on a topic, so one by one 10 slides will move, one, then second, then third, then fourth. So in this way they all will move, and after 10 the presentation is finished. So what is slideshow? It is a way to represent our presentation. It is a way to represent the presentation. Okay, means in slideshow we are able to represent our presentation. presentation. Okay, now after this the next topic is theme. What is theme? Okay, theme. Theme is a common word, you all listens it. Actually in our school also, when we prepares any program, so it is having a theme. Okay, suppose winter theme means we have to give a winter background there. What is theme? Means background what we are giving for that still show. So themes are the basically pre-designed layouts to make the presentation more easy to understand, and it makes the users to engage. Okay, so theme means, I am writing here, it is a theme is a pre-defined, or you can say pre-designed layout that adds a professional touch. That adds a professional touch to our presentation. Okay, that's at the professional touch to our presentation. Okay, when you want to apply themes, then you have to follow few procedures. What are the procedures? For this, at first you have to click on the design tab. When you will click on the design tab, you will find the theme groups there. Okay, yes. So if you want to choose the theme, or if you want to select the theme, so what procedure you have to follow? So I am writing here, to apply theme. Means you can write here also you how to apply theme. If we want to apply any kind of thing, at first we have to click on design tab. Okay, when I will click on design tab, after this I will see many themes there. Okay, in the book also you will find it. These are the themes. Okay, these are the themes that are clear here. In this way they are having different backgrounds. So these are the themes of it. Okay, so you can choose the themes out of it all. Also in starting it will show you 6 themes. 6 themes are the default themes that are visible automatically. When you will count these all, they are the 6. Okay, so now if you want to apply any other kind of theme, so what you have to do, you will see a drop down arrow here. Okay, a drop down arrow you will find here. When you will click on this arrow, then it will show you all the themes that are available in our PowerPoint software. You will choose that theme, then click on OK. So that theme will be applied to your presentation. Okay, so design tab, themes, group, choose any theme. This out of all you will choose any theme, then click OK. So this is the procedure how to apply any theme. Next is how to change the color of the theme. Means if you want to change the color of the theme, you will also follow few steps. And what are the steps? You will click on design tab, then after this you will see the themes, then here you will see colors. What is the option there? Colors. When you will click on colors, it will show you all the available colors. Choose any color, then the theme color will get changed when you will do this. Okay, so how to change the color of theme? So you will write here design tab, click on design tab, then themes group. So, okay, here you will find the color group. Okay, so you can choose the color and click OK. So in this way you can change the color of the theme. Okay, after this the next is how to change the font of the theme. Okay, if fonts are many, Calibri Body, Times New Roman, many fonts are there. If you want to change the font of the theme, then you will follow few steps. How to change font of theme? So at first you will click on the design tab. After this you will click on the fonts group. Okay. In fonts group you will find drop down list. What is drop down list? This kind of arrow you will find. Okay. If it is drop down, that means it is pointing downside. You will click on it, then you will see all the available colors for it. Okay. So you will see here all the fonts. So choose the font and click OK. So it was about how to change the font of the theme. The next one is how to change the background of the theme. Means easily you can change the background of the theme also. So how you will change it? For this same steps you have to click on the design tab. When you will click on design tab, you will see here the effects. Okay, and here you will see the background styles. Okay, so when you will click on this background styles, then easily you can change the background style after clicking on the drop down arrow of it. Okay, next one is how to change background style. So if you want to change the background style, so follow these steps. Click on the design tab, then you will click on the background styles drop down list. Okay, so when you will click here, you will find all the available background styles there. You will choose the background style, then you will click on OK. So choose the background styles, and after this you will click OK. Okay. So these were the topics about the theme. Okay, we can easily change the theme color, we can easily change the theme font, we can easily change the theme background. Okay. So once again I am repeating these all. How to apply theme? Same step, design tab, theme group, choose any theme, click OK. How to change color of the theme? Design tab, themes group, you will see a color group, choose the color, click OK. Font of the theme, design tab, fonts group, choose the font and click OK. If you want to change the background style, then you will click on design tab, then after you will see the background styles. At there you will see drop down list. Okay, in the drop down list you will click and you will see all the available built-in background styles there. Choose the background styles and click OK. Automatically they will be applied to your presentation. Okay, so in this video we have completed our topic, that is theme, and what are the features of the theme and how we can change these features of the theme, how can we apply these all. So at home you will watch this video and you will do few questions that I will give in the video. Okay, thank you.